That's my nigga. We be talking. I be chatting with him every now and then. So y'all finna see a collab, cause when I get back home, I'm finna be vlogging all that. So when I vlog, y'all finna see it. Y'all gonna see all that. My favorite Ugandan song. Shit. I ain't gonna lie, I don't listen to Ugandan music. That's the truth. I don't. Can y'all tell me like good Ugandan songs that I can listen to? Cause I don't know any. I don't listen to my dad's music at all. Not even a little bit. Alright, let me tell y'all something, alright? Look, just cause y'all listen to my dad's music and you think it's good does not mean I'm gonna think my dad's music is good. Remember? Like how y'all see my dad is not how I see my dad. How I see my dad, he's a regular person. You know what I'm saying? I just see him as a regular person that, like, my tattoo. I have one, but I'm finna get a matching tattoo with my dad on Monday. We finna get matching tattoos. I guess I count this as one. I count this as one tattoo. So this is one. Then what's good, Shay? I'm finna get a PC soon. We finna run up. I'm finna get in that Valorant grind. But nah, I'm finna get matching tattoo with my dad. I ain't gonna lie. Now, before I answer that, I'm finna get to matching tattoo with my dad. I don't know. We don't know what we finna get yet. He wanted to get, like, a silhouette of the African map. Like, right here. But I don't know yet. Then I'm finna get one with my mom as well. Can y'all ask different questions? Y'all just be asking the same questions. Like, ask some, like, nice questions. Yeah, talk to Abba. Abba's my nigga. I be talking to him. Favorite NBA team? DSW. Golden State Warriors. Since, like, 2014. Ever since they drafted Stephen Curry, that's been my favorite team. Yeah, dude, let me tell y'all something. In this household, Ugandan food every day, and that's all I eat. I eat Ugandan food every day, day in, day out. You know what I had for dinner? I had rice and beans for dinner. Y'all think it's lame, but when you come out here and, like, you don't have, like, good food, like, you don't have, like, home food, you really start to understand, like, how good, like, food is good. How tall am I? I haven't checked my height in, like, years. When I got my, let me see. I don't remember. I think when I got my permit, my sophomore, I don't know, honestly. My dad is 6'1", and I don't know. Y'all have to to see the pictures of me and my dad to see what's it called, how tall I am. How many cigarettes does my dad smoke in a day? My dad doesn't smoke anymore. How tall is Solomon? Do I work? I mean, I do, but I'm not gonna tell y'all what I do. But it's not some like crazy job. I don't work a crazy job. Brody said I'm taller than my girlfriend. Duh. What type of question is that? But I don't know. Y'all finna see a collab with Solomon real soon. Y'all finna see it real soon. I'm finna do a vlog, big vlog when I get back home. I won't target the Ugandan audience. Who knows? Ask questions, y'all. Come on. It's boring. I might go to sleep. I know Luganda, but I'm not speaking it. Only my dad. I only speak Luganda with my dad. I don't support Arsenal. I hate Arsenal. I don't have money. Alright, man. Did y'all like my Instagram posts? Y'all look cool? I look fly as hell. I know I look fly. I'm the flyest nigga. I'm the flyest. Man, let me not even do all that. But what y'all think about my Instagram post? My most recent. What y'all think about it? Yeah, Urban T, I made you my moderator. If you're with your dad, does he allow you to hang out with babes? Nigga, what type of weird ass question is that? Why this hair? Because I like this hair. I ain't gonna lie. Probably at a certain point, I'm gonna hold it up. Like I'm gonna put it in a bun. I don't know. We'll have to see. What phone do I have currently? Does that matter? I don't think that matters. What if I told y'all I have a Samsung S7? How long has your dread last? I'm assuming you asking how long have I had my dreads for? I got starter locks like December last year. So probably like a year and 4 months. I'm not headed for too long. How long is my hair? My hair is really long. If my hair's this long. it's like 2 in the morning. Do y'all think this hair suit me or not? Let me. Does the hair suit me or not? I think it does. I mean, not that any hair wouldn't suit me, but I think this hair suits me. This jumper, you finna have to buy it off me for a bit, like hella bread. Cause I caught this for like, how much is a Nike Tech? Do I have a skincare routine? My skincare routine is not even that crazy anymore. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Let me be completely honest. I had really, really, really bad skin. But the truth is like, it's just time. Like, when you growing, that's just how your skin is gonna react, depending on your hormones and all that. Like, right now, I just like sew up my face, like clean it up, and then use a cleanser, and that's it. I don't really do that much. My skin's not like still perfect. Like, I still have dark spots because I had really bad acne for a while, but like, it's starting to get better. It's way better than it was a year ago. I'm not gonna lie. Juice WRLD is horrible. I won't forget Uganda. I speak good English. How am I supposed to speak? Nah, don't remove nobody. They can comment whatever they want. It's free speech. I want to see all the good and bad comments. Hair products, nothing. Let me tell you, lock your hair up and just don't, you know. I don't live alone, nigga. I'm 17. I'm still a youngin'. I'm not even allowed to live by myself. Taper, fade, locks, tighten up, twin. I actually did have a taper fade for a minute. Antoine, let me make you mod, man. That's my boy, Antoine. Anthony. Alright. I'm not 19. What the fuck? You want me to show y'all my driver's license again? Where the hell did I put it? Compare Uganda to where you live in terms of hospitality. Alright, look. By the definition of hospitality is how welcoming the people are. In my opinion, I don't know. I feel like it's 50-50. I feel like people here are really hospitable. They really take good care of you. Also depends on which state you were living in. But Uganda is really hospitable as well. But look. Do I think I'm going to meet Uganda anytime soon? Yeah. I'm going to be there in a little bit. Just wait, just a couple of days. I'm finna drop a YouTube. Y'all finna see the video. You feel me? What time is it? But y'all finna see the video. It's finna go crazy. Shit, let me know. And when I come, I'm finna be there for a minute. I'm here for a little bit. I live in Minnesota. Do I know Chamoka? Yeah, I know where that is. Yeah, what favor? It depends what favor. And my dad's good. What y'all think about my Instagram post? Y'all didn't tell me though. Y'all like the fit? I'm trying to show y'all that less is more. Less is more. You don't have to put too much on to look fly. My Instagram is at Abba Marcus. It's literally my bio. Excuse me. Excuse me. It's bad season for my asthma. I got asthma. Spider-Verse, bro, that movie was tough. It was actually really good. Did y'all watch it? Y'all still not telling me though, that Instagram post. I be seeing like the youngins in Uganda putting on like, I be seeing like the Ugandans, the niggas my age, they be like, let me tell y'all, I be seeing them putting on a bunch of stuff and they think it's cool, but it's really not. Like it does not look good. When you put on like a bunch of stuff, you oversaturate the image. I went like that. I'm not spreading no germs. But it's not a permit, it's a license. I got my permit a long time ago. Yeah, bro, they be overdoing it. Let me tell you, I see the nigga puts on fucking Louis Vuitton cakes. He throws on the Balenciaga jeans. He throws on the Amiri top. Then he throws on, like, they just be throwing anything on, like you gotta know that less is more. Like, you don't have to put on that much to look fly. You feel me? I could put on a white tee, black shorts, and a pair of kicks and still look fly. You feel me? It's all about the way, it's all about the attitude that you feel me? You just gotta be him. It's about the aura. The 5 gigabyte, nigga, my house got unlimited Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi is not finna run out. We got unlimited Wi-Fi. Y'all still gotta pay MBs, huh? Y'all still be loading them MBs up. Fucking hell. Is internet expensive still? So we just want to eat Marcus raw. He's still young, please. I'm not edible. I'm not edible at all. The going get wa. Nigga. expensive thing I own that I bought for myself, or most expensive thing I own that my parents bought for me? Which one? That by myself? Let me see. These foam runners. When I bought them, they were like $380. Yeah, they were like $380. The most expensive thing my parents have bought me is a car. My dad got me a car. It was hella expensive. It was expensive as hell. But most expensive thing I caught myself is this. Actually, no. Most expensive thing I've caught myself is a gaming PC. I have a computer. I can't show it to y'all because I gave it to my brother for Christmas. But it's like a computer that you play video games on. I bought it for a lot of money, especially at that time. I was like 15, and I bought the computer for $800. How much is $800 in Uganda shillings? If a dollar is 3,600 Uganda shillings, shit, I don't know. Yeah, nah, it's definitely not 1 mil. It's probably like 3.2 mil. Because if $100 is 360,000 times 2 is 720,000. It's a lot of money. Yeah, it's 3.6. It's not 1, I promise. You know, I actually used to live close to Nansana. Is Entebbe close to Nansana? I don't know. I don't remember anymore. My dad's good. Can someone let me comment something real quick.